Feel free to read this paragraph aloud to practice your spoken English. Pay attention to the past simple and past perfect tenses.
Last Saturday, Sarah decided to host a small gathering at her house. She cleaned the entire living room, prepared some snacks, and set up the music system. By the time her friends arrived, she had finished all the preparations. Her friends, Mike and Emily, arrived first, followed by John and Rachel. They greeted each other warmly and settled into the cozy living room. Sarah had arranged comfortable seating and placed a variety of appetizers on the coffee table. Everyone complimented her on how lovely her home looked. They talked about their week and caught up on each other's lives. Mike mentioned that he had recently taken up painting as a hobby, and he brought a small painting to show everyone. They all admired his work and encouraged him to keep going. Emily shared that she had started a new job and felt excited about the opportunities ahead. John and Rachel talked about their upcoming vacation plans and showed pictures of the places they planned to visit. As the evening went on, Sarah realized she had forgotten to make drinks, so she quickly whipped up some lemonade. She had already bought fresh lemons and prepared a simple syrup earlier in the day, so it didn't take long. She poured the lemonade into a pitcher and served it with ice. Everyone enjoyed the refreshing drink and praised Sarah for her efforts. They decided to play a board game, and Sarah brought out her favorite game, Settlers of Catan. They divided into teams and started playing. The game was intense, with everyone strategizing and trying to win. Laughter and friendly banter filled the room as they played. In the middle of the game, John remembered he had left his phone in the car, so he ran out to get it. When he returned, he brought a bottle of wine he had picked up earlier that day. They decided to take a break from the game to enjoy the wine. Sarah found some glasses, and they all toasted to their friendship. After the game, they sat around and shared stories from their past. Sarah talked about a memorable trip she had taken to Europe last year. Mike recounted a funny incident that happened during a camping trip. Emily shared some childhood memories, and everyone laughed at the amusing anecdotes. As the night grew late, they realized it was time to go. They helped Sarah clean up a bit before they left. Sarah thanked them for coming, and they all promised to do it again soon. After everyone had gone, Sarah sat down on the couch and reflected on the evening. She felt exhausted but happy because the gathering had been a success. She thought about how much effort she had put into the preparations and how it had all been worth it to see her friends having a good time.